So the last person should be wearing that. So we know that those who are wearing the headband would be the last person. Okay?
Come on, Kane!
You know mechanics already, so you don't have to explain. No trial. We go straight. Okay.
Ang ganda naman. Hi! Hi! You're so pretty. Dapat hindi mapuputol. Asan yung ibang balon? Come on! Come on! Yan, ganyan. Yan, good. Naputol, naputol.
Wait. I know this is a problem with the trial because we will lose balloons.
Hello. Wala si Andre.
You should have the same starting point.
Final na, final. Ay kay mag-join kami ni Jeanette sa ano? Sa bigas doon tayo. Ha? Sa bigas. Mabigat? Ah, mabigas? Bigas! Oo nga. Katuwaan lang. Kaya nga, correct, correct. Ludis, Ludis.
Okay, to be honest, the mechanics would have been first two will go and then be, you know, the next person will join and as progress, the team would have longer, you know, more
Malin? Oo, ah, kaya nakita ko eh. Alam, nakaharap sa atin, naka-headband. Oo nga, hindi ko tumanda na rin.
Okay? The one you did is actually would have been the final thing. So we start with two. Then as they finish, then the third person joins in with the balloon without it, without. Okay, are we ready? No more trial. One. Huh? Two.
Ay, ano? Ella. So yung
Okay,
Kimberly,
ready?
ano?
In 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, first two. Go. See, that's the better one. No touching the balloon. Okay, the third person ready.
Nandun Nicole, nandyan pala.
Okay. Next.
Third person.
Good job. Next. Go. No. Yeah.
Dahan-dahan,
You
Kim.
move closer there.
Coordinate, coordinate, coordination. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.